Grammar page 102. An adjective is a word that tells about a noun. Do you remember what a noun is? A person, place, or thing. And an adjective is going to tell us about the noun. Some adjectives tell what kind. Some adjectives tell how many. For example, what kind? A nice boy. And if we had a dog, we could call it the silly dog. How many? Tell how many girls. 3 girls. 3 is my adjective because it tells me how many girls there are. Many cats. My adjective is many because it tells me how many cats there are. Many of them. For our directions, it says to circle the adjectives that tell what kind, like nice and silly, and underline the adjectives that tell how many, like 3 or many. Number 1. Those are cute pigs. Pigs is our noun. How are they described? Cute. Is that what kind or how many? What kind? Let's circle that adjective. Number 2. I used pink clay to shape them. Our noun is clay because it's a thing. How is it described? It's pink. Is that how many or what kind? What kind? Let's circle it. Number 3. What funny tails those pigs have. We're talking about the noun tails. How are those tails described? Yes, they are funny tails. Let's go ahead and circle it. Number 4. Who made the 2 ducks? What's our adjective in number 4? Two, because it's telling us how many ducks. Because it's a number, we're going to underline it. Number 5. This hen has some chicks. Do you know which one our adjective is? Some. It tells us how many chicks. We have some chicks. Underline that because it tells us how many. And number 6. This little chick keeps falling down. What's our noun? Our noun is chick. How do they describe chick? Right. The chick is little. And it tells us what kind of chick it is, so let's circle. Today we learned about adjectives. And adjectives we learned tells about a noun.